Hi Muffins! Welcome to my kitchen and thank you so much for tuning in. Before we get started, this is my first video of 2019 and we're still in January, so I just wanted to wish you all a very happy new year. I really hope your holidays were full of love, laughter, and of course, lots of sweets. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make these Oreo Crunch Cupcakes. These are seriously so delicious, you guys. Moist chocolate cake with instant coffee baked right into the batter to further bring out that rich chocolatey flavor. The cupcake batter is baked over an actual Oreo cookie and topped with my best buttercream frosting with crushed Oreos mixed right in. The buttercream alone tastes exactly like Oreos. It's a true favorite among all my family and friends, and I'm sure it will be for yours too. So if you want to learn how I make Oreo Crunch Cupcakes, then please stay tuned.
First, you'll need 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee granules, and 1 cup of hot water. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your cocoa powder, instant coffee, and hot water. Mix until well combined and set aside. In a separate bowl, combine 1 3/4 cups of cake flour, half a tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix these together and set aside. You'll also need 2 cups of white sugar, 2 large eggs at room temperature, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, some Oreos. The amount will depend on how many cupcakes you want to make. This recipe makes about 24 cupcakes. I used 48 Oreos, which is 1 regular sized package plus 1/3 of 1 additional package. And lastly, we can't forget our buttercream frosting. I'll leave a link to my video on how to make the best buttercream frosting down below. Now in a large bowl, add your sugar and vegetable oil and mix on medium speed for about a minute or 2. To that mixture, add your 2 eggs and mix again until the mixture is creamy and pale yellow in color. Now you'll want to add your sour cream and your vanilla extract. Mix again on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Slowly add in your dry ingredients 1 to 2 spoonfuls at a time. Continue mixing as each spoon is added. This will prevent your batter from forming any lumps. Mix well for 2 to 3 minutes, and then in a slow and steady stream, add in your cocoa powder and coffee mixture. Continue mixing until most of your batter is the same color. Stop and scrape down the sides and bottom of your bowl to catch any ingredients not fully mixed in, and mix again for 1 more minute. Now line a muffin pan with cupcake liners. Place an Oreo in the bottom of each liner and pour about 1/4 cup of batter over each Oreo. Gently tap the muffin pan on your countertop to get rid of any air pockets within the batter, and place your pan in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake these for 22 to 25 minutes. Next, place 12 Oreos in a large food-safe storage bag and remove any air before sealing it. Evenly distribute your cookies before using a rolling pin to roughly crush them. Stop crushing when you reach a consistency similar to this. Make sure that there are still some small chunks. This will give you a nice crunch when you bite into your cupcakes. Now add the crushed Oreos to your buttercream frosting and continue to mix until well combined. Add your frosting to a piping bag fit with a large round tip and generously frost your cupcakes. And for the final touch, garnish the top of each cupcake with half of one cookie. These cupcakes are to die for. Biting into these is a dream. The perfect combination of soft, moist cake and that crunchy Oreo cookie at the top and bottom. You guys have to try these out. Believe me when I tell you, they will not disappoint.
That's it. That's how I make my Oreo Crunch Cupcakes. As always, the full list of ingredients can be found down in the description box, and the full step-by-step instructions are over on the blog at karrahgermain.com. Please try it out and let me know what you think. I'll be sharing more photos and quick videos on how I made these cupcakes over on my Instagram. So go ahead and please follow at Karrah's World. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below so I know you watched. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tutorials. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching, and as always, stay sweet.